And shiitake mushrooms are one of my favorite type of mushrooms. So the cool thing about this is that I can rehydrate these, kind of like the seaweed, with hot water though. I can put them in hot water, they'll soak it up and become, pliable again, and then I can use these, I can chop them up and put them in my soup. I could stir fry them even, and then the liquid that's left over is you now have a mushroom stock. So mushrooms are also a very umami flavor, a very savory flavor. And so that mushroom stock, you could add that back into your miso soup. You could kind of reduce it down and concentrate that flavor and use it in a lot of other things, a lot of other soups. Or if you're trying to make something vegetarian or vegan, really good for getting that savory flavor that, that sometimes is missing when you have